Damn, Kazari.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2000.
Good morning, guys. So today I was really craving Starbucks, so I got some Starbucks breakfast and I brought my coffee to the beach. I feel like this is not something that you can just wake up to every single day, so while I have the opportunity, I just decided, let me bring my coffee outside on the beach and let me just drink it over here. I don't necessarily have many plans today. I probably want to check out the aquarium or the glass bridge and do some scuba diving. It's just that I'm trying to figure out when to do it because the weather is kind of off-putting due to the fact that there's not that much light. I'm wondering if I'm gonna be able to see the fishes and stuff underwater. So I'm trying to choose the right day. So far it's really beautiful. It's not cold at all. That's the great thing. Even though it's very cloudy and kind of overcast, it's not cold at all, and I'm really happy about that. At least if it's not sunny, at least it's not cold.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get out though. And I know.
So I'm currently at the Yalong Bay Tropical Rainforest, Forest Paradise. I'm not really sure about the name. Oh, actually, the Tropical Wonderland, and it's the Yalong Bay Tropical Forest tourist area. I bought a ticket. It's the full package, I guess. This is the ticket, right? And it was 388. You get to experience everything. So the glass bridge, the rope walking, the drifting. So I'm really excited. We first have to take a tour bus, so I need to walk over to that area over there and get onto the tour bus.
Yeah, I see why your horse I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have heard no twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and
I'm about to try the noodles right now. Very nice. Very nice.
twist and turn, Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sis. And when she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get out though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a John and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird verse. Back it up high, you look like the body got me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. I see. Why your hearts I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Everybody run by me.
You can probably notice the quality change, but my camera died. But since I'm already in Yalong Bay and I'm not sure if I'm gonna come back here tomorrow, I decided to eat in this area. So I'll be eating at a restaurant called CC. It's very beautiful. I want to show you guys what it looks like.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sis. And when she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah.